Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to download YouTube app for laptop and PC. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to get all kind of notification. Yes, from my laptop I just opened Chrome browser and I would like to see the videos. So different kind of videos in YouTube. So YouTube is a best platform to learn lot of things. So whatever information, cooking, education, technology, everything will be there in YouTube. So I would like to download YouTube app for my laptop or desktop. So what I have to do here, so this is my YouTube. So this is, I'm watching the page in Google Chrome. So in your Google Chrome, on your right hand side you will find option called three dots. So just click the three dots and you will get option called install YouTube, so that easy to have access with your YouTube for Windows 8, Windows 10 and Windows 11 as well as Windows 7. So just click install YouTube. Automatically the YouTube application will be installed in your laptop or desktop. So this is a YouTube application as you see here. So it is a separate window will be open here, so you can get this application. So using your open in Chrome or uninstall, everything will be there. So app information will be there, so site settings will be there. So whatever settings you want, you can get all kind of details. So that YouTube application is with my desktop, so that I can able to search and I can able to get all kind of details from my YouTube channel, so that I can only watch my YouTube channel. There is no other disturbance will be there. So it is easy to have access with my YouTube channel, so that YouTube can have the application. So my application will be open here, so I can able to make a full screen. So my entire YouTube will be open here. So this is a beautiful option which is given from the Windows itself, so that you can use installation of YouTube application. So once you install your YouTube application, your desktop also will get the icons, so that easy to have access. Whatever information you want, whatever subject you want, everything will be displayed over there, so that you can able to easily browse and use a YouTube apps in your desktop or laptop. It's a beautiful option, you know. So if you want to open YouTube application from your Windows, just click YouTube and app will be open here directly from your desktop, so that it is easy. So while you're searching your start menu, and don't go to your browser to search in YouTube application. So just open your start menu and search YouTube means automatically, because I've installed YouTube application, so application will be there. So my application will be open here, so that I can check what are the trending topics are there. So what are I need to search and learn from YouTube. It's a beautiful tips for you, so you can use this application to save your files and browse your data using your YouTube application. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.